We've installed a 300-metre access track from the main road, reinforced by about 450 mil of Type 1 stone. And on top of that, we've crossed over a fuel aviation line which supplies Luton Airport. We've installed a 4 metre by 2 metre concrete slab, approximately 1 metre above the pipe, to give it the necessary support for when the transformer's brought over the pipeline.
Installing a transformer it's a long process. Firstly, you've got to build the transformer, then deliver it to site, place it on the plinth, as can be seen behind me. Then we put it together, the final pieces, the conservator, the bushings. Once that's in place, we then top up the oil, test the oil to make sure the oil's right, send a sample to the lab just to be sure. Then we do some electrical tests, connect all the auxiliary equipment onto the transformer, connect the auxiliary equipment to the substation, test everything again, and then test it again just to be sure. And then we start with the HV equipment, connecting it to the overhead lines via the switch gears and disconnectors, and then we switch it on, and it's then in service.
Transformer transforms the electricity from 33,000 volts supplied from the solar farm up to the 132,000 volt overhead line. Once everything's on site in front of us, we've offloaded the transformer using a 300-ton crane onto the concrete plinth specifically for the transformer. And then following this, we will adapt the ancillary parts onto the transformer and then top it up with oil.
Turns out at 50 MVAs of power, which is the solar farm power, the amount of current produced is significant at lower voltages. So in order to transmit it and make it useful to the dear souls that will benefit from the power of the solar farm, we need to get it to a very high voltage to reduce the current. Typically, a megawatt of solar farm, you get between 400 and 900 houses. So a good guess is between 16 and 32,000 houses.
So the project, we are entering shutdown works where the overhead line will be dropped in end of February. That'll last for 6 weeks, and by the end of that we are hoping to energise the substation, and following that in April, energising the solar farm. I enjoy working for Ethical Power because we have sites all over the UK. They've got roles which we can progress up into, and the company is always looking for new projects outside the UK, which are definitely something that anybody would want to get involved in.